near a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger.
Sneakers on the schoolyard ground, laughing till we're spinning around. Paper hearts in summer wind, we swore it would never end. Chalk lines fading on the wall, dreams too big, we tried them all. Every scar a story told, every dare felt brave and bold. We were chasing colors that would never stay. Still we painted anyway. Hey, those lemon days, they tasted wild and free. Every laugh, every fall, a memory. Even if they fade away someday, I'll still smile for those lemon days. Late night calls that made us blush, secret notes and gentle hush. Hearts that bloomed and flew apart, still they glow inside my heart. Time keeps running, we can't hold it tight, but it still feels so right. Hey, those lemon days, so bittersweet and true. Every dream was shining next to you. Even when the colors start to stray, I'll keep dancing through those lemon days. Yes, we were running with the breeze, never knowing what we'd need. All the tears and all the cheers are the songs that brought us here. Hey, those lemon days, they taught me how to be. All the joy and ache inside of me, even as they softly drift away, I still sing about those lemon days. Hey, those lemon days, they never really die. They just hide behind the summer sky. Every beat still echoes when I play, forever young in those lemon days. Rain on the sidewalk, silver in the air. You ran laughing like you didn't care. One tiny shelter in a crowded street, two shadows dancing at our feet. Dripping hair and a neon sign, your shoulder brushing into mine. Traffic humming, city glow, didn't know then how far we go. Coffee steam in a borrowed coat, midnight trains that barely float. We were reckless with our time, making rhythms out of rhyme. Puddles splashing, sneakers bright, turning gray into something light. From nice to meet you in the rain, to calling out each other's name. Close enough to feel your heartbeat, close enough to start believing. Hey, 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 hey. Under one umbrella, we were at Rendao side by side, laughing at the weather, nowhere left to hide. Just a simple shelter in a stormy sky, you and I. Oh, Seasons spinning, rent to pay, dreams that kept us wide awake, arguments and make-up songs, learning where we both belong. Maps unfolded on the floor, suitcases by the door, from a sidewalk rendezvous to building something true. Close enough to chase the lightning, close enough to call it timing. Yeah, under one umbrella, stepping into blue, running through the weather, me and you, from a passing shower to a wider sky, you and I. Oh, you and I. Thunder rolling, let it play, we spin it into our own parade. Wild winds trying to rearrange, we turn the chaos into change. One small shelter, look at us now, from shared silence to wedding vows. Under one umbrella, hand in hand, walking through whatever we have planned, not just waiting for the rain to pass us by, you and I. Under one umbrella, life in motion, from a single spark to an endless ocean, through every color painted in the sky. Still you and I, still you and I. Under one umbrella, for all our lives. Ooh, 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 yeah. Yeah. Rain on the sidewalk, silver in the air. You ran laughing like you didn't care. One tiny shelter in a crowded street, two shadows dancing at our feet. Dripping hair and a neon sign, your shoulder brushing into mine. Traffic humming, city glow, didn't know then how far we go. Coffee steam in a borrowed coat, midnight trains that barely float. We were reckless with our time, making rhythms out of rhyme, puddles splashing. Untie the ribbon, a little surprise, waiting inside like a secret sign. Whispers to yesterday's tired me, and sets my heart on fire. Glittery paper, a shining spell, feels like confetti falling well. A tiny reward for steps I've made, I want it all to myself. Walking tall with sparkling shoes, every doorway turns into a groove. My heartbeat pops like candy drops, a private show I can't ever stop. Pocket full of daydream skies, today's the prize, I feel alive. My little treasure lifts me high, I'm flying through the sky. In the window, my shadow smiles, proud of me just for a while. A secret wink that says you did it, I keep it in my pocket. Blushing bright but moving free, even footsteps turn to melody. My rhythm bursts like crystal beads, a storyline that my heart needs. Carrying colors wild and new, a suitcase full of brighter hues. My little treasure lifts me high, I'm jumping to the sky. And one sparkle is enough to paint all the boring gray into of sweet champagne. So I'll hold this day so close to me. The whole wide world's my stage to be. My heartbeat pops like candy drops, a rainbow show that just won't stop. Pocket full of daydream skies, today's the prize. I feel alive, my little treasure lifts me high. I'm flying through the sky. My rhythm bursts like crystal beads, collecting every glow I need. Carrying colors wild and new, a suitcase full of brighter hues. My little treasure lifts me high. I'm jumping to the sky.